YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy, Weekend Gardener, and I need everyone to be very quiet. I'm about to hunt some moles. Now, I have some moles that's been in my yard forever, but the problem seems to be getting worse. A few years back, maybe about 2 years ago, I purchased these traps, and I've only used 2, and I was able to catch 4 moles, if you want to call it catch. Yeah, catch means that they can get up and walk away. So they didn't, and for years I just said, I'm gonna leave them alone. But me leaving them alone, they have really torn up my yard. I mean, I'm stepping right here, I'm literally sinking here, and you can just see trails all throughout the yard. So it's time. They gotta go bye-bye. They gotta go bye-bye, especially when they started messing with my food. I did layer the bottom of my raised bed garden with wire, but they were able to squeeze in, and I'll show you right here. There's a hole here, and there's a trail right here. So they're in my garden bed. They were over here. There was a trail here, and it's raised right here. Some there. So as I step around the garden bed, there are soft spots, like right here. Especially right here. Excuse me. That's a fresh trail. That's my point of attack right there. So I got these traps in. They're pretty good. Definitely can stop madness. Ooh, oh yeah. Clamp down, the scissors open up. If that trap is up, either we had an earthquake or something walked past it. Either way, Mr. Mole gotta go. I read somewhere where moles are very solitary, and it's usually 1 mole per half acre, I believe. I gotta have more than 1 mole. Either that or this mole is a road runner, because it is all over the place in the back. Now see, when it was back there in the yard messing around, I didn't care too much about it because I'm not growing anything back there. But now it's moving forward to the front of the yard, and it's really, and I'm afraid someone's going to twist their ankle because this ground is absolutely soft. So as you can see, that's the trail. And then they went inside. I'm going to put, I don't know if I want 1 or 2 here. We're going to be sure. That's kind of sloppy, but it's going to have to do. So what I'm doing is I'm going to walk the property and look for soft spots. It's getting very close to my pomegranate tree. There's a lot of softness around there. I don't like that. I had a lot earlier this year in this area. Ooh, next week, well, this week is big yard cleanup. I got my guys coming over here to really clean the yard up. That means all that junk gets organized. I got some wood today That's enough wood to last me about 4 seasons. Okay, this area is real soft, but it doesn't look that active. Maybe right here. Like I said, I was going to leave these things alone, but it's becoming too much. They say, you know, my shed is going to fall into a hole the way these things are digging. Also, too, it was either here or there that was soft. Kind of. Okay. Somehow I was getting from this side of the yard to over there, so I just need to find the trail. By the way, I do recommend these traps. I got them on online, I believe Amazon. Okay. All right, I think that's it. I'm just going to use 3. I'm going to put this in the garage in case I find another spot. But I don't want to put these all over the yard. I just wanted them to be concentrated in one area. I expect 2 traps popped in the morning. Stay tuned. See, when something walks past and taps this, these close. And this is enough force to make stuff go sleepy time. YouTube, what's going on? Your Weekend Gardener here. You get the soundtrack in the background, birds singing. Today is the 4th of April. Yesterday, the 3rd of April, I set some traps. And looks like one of them has sprung, which could mean that either, ooh, yeah, the ground is super soft over here. This is fresh. That's a fresh track right there. Could be I got a mole in here. Because the trap is sprung, I'm gonna edit it out if it is. If not, I'm gonna move it here because that's fresh. If it is a mole in here, it's gonna get left in here for composting. Okay, there's no mole. So I'm gonna put the trap here. And there we have it. Let's check this next trap over here. So yesterday I set 3. Okay, that trap is still in the off position or on position, so nothing came up. Out here looking at this mess. It's too much to clean up. We're gonna get there. Okay, this turned out to be a short video, but I guess it's a good video for the mole. But it's definitely in my garden. See, some carrots are sprouting. And so far, nothing over here. Carrots look real good. Onions are going to seed. Pretty soon they'll pop and then seeds will come out, and I'm grabbing them. That's why I'm growing the onions. And also just to deter pests. Alright, short video. Catch you on the next one. YouTube, what's going on? Your Weekend Gardener. 5th of April. Day 3 of my traps. I looked out early this morning. It wasn't sprung, but when I came out here to feed the garden, it was sprung. So let's see. If I bleep it out, that means we caught something. And it's going right back in the hole. Another false alarm. Okay, I'm going to move this to a different spot. I'm thinking right here. This looks fresh. Okay. Let's see what we get. YouTube, it's the 7th, and these traps have been out here for 4 days, and so far no results. I am going to relocate if there's nothing here. This trap absolutely gets sprung every day, almost. Oh, got him. I will be editing this out. Okay. Yeah, nigga. Success. Got that little monster. I will be editing this out, but that's the 5th one I caught. Hopefully that's it. Thing tore my ground up till I tore him up. YouTube, here's another fresh path of a mole. So I did get rid of one the other day in a previous video, so it's time for number 2. Okay, that didn't get anything, so let's get this boy over here. Alright, we're gonna put it, look like it right here. So let's put it here. See how easy it's sunk in? Perfect. I may put another one over here. So, like I figured, I had more than one mole. It was just too much damage in the yard. for it not to be just more than one. All right, Mole Patrol out.